How to turn on live captions on your Mac. This feature gives you real-time subtitles for audio, including videos, FaceTime calls, and even conversations around you. It's hidden inside the accessibility settings, so most people don't know where to find it. So let me show you how to find it. And the first way, we want to open System Settings, and in the System Settings, we want to look for accessibility. And now under Hearing category, we want to look for live captions. And from here, you just have to enable it. But before that, you can, let's say, customize it. Or after you enable it, you can customize font, font size, font color, background color, language. You can also enable it in FaceTime over here. So this is live captions for FaceTime. So let me show you how it works. So I'm going to enable it. And you should be able to see like captions in this bar. How to change the ringtone on your Mac. This is useful if you use FaceTime or your iPhone calls ring on your Mac, because lets you switch to different. So you can see it over here. It's a little bit laggy for me, but you can try it. And this was a quick video how you can turn on live captions. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.